Alright guys, this is our Jaguar X-Type, and what you can see on the dashboard, we've created some faults. We've got an ABS, an airbag and an engine warning light showing on the dashboard. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the Autel MD802 here, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a scan of the whole systems in the vehicle. So all of the systems which are present in the vehicle, we are going to scan for as many faults as possible. Sometimes it can take a few minutes. We just let it go and it will scan through all the different modules and systems within the vehicle to find out if there are any, well, to pick up which faults are actually present. So we're going to click onto the auto scan function and just let it go through on its own. Now as you can see, the top here, it has 7%, 14%. That means it's going through all of the systems, and obviously when it gets to 100, that means the job is complete, and then we can search through the individual faults. See, the ECM, the engine control, has 5 faults. The instrument pack has 5 faults. Looks like there are quite a few faults coming through. General electronics module, 3 faults. We have created quite a few faults in this vehicle to see if the MD802 would actually pick them up, and it is doing that. Right, so 100%. So there we go. So first of all, we'll have a look in the ABS. Have a look at the, we'll click display DTC. So that's a wheel speed sensor, rear left input. So that is a fault we made ourselves. We disconnected the ABS sensor. Alright, so the engine control management, display them. Camshaft position sensor. Camshaft position sensor, we created that fault. P1582, that is a fault that is always there. That is also a fault which is, well, it's not a fault, it's just a code which is always there when you do a scan on Jaguar Diagnostics. And this has also picked up the wheel speed sensor one as well. Right, instrument pack. Let's see what we've got here. So a couple for the switch assembly, voltage low. Invalid data for vehicle security. We didn't create these faults, but they are present. ATC, climate control. Fault with the blower motor, or the heater resistor as it's also known. General electronics module, display. Lamp turns signal right, turn signal left, circuit failure. Headlamp beam, circuit short to ground. And we didn't create those faults, so we'll have to look at those. Restraints control module, so this is the airbag module. Restraint system, airbag, status. Yeah, these are faults that we created, so that's what we were expecting. There we go, back to the start ABS. So that's just a quick look at the Autel MD802, and it will do this for all vehicles on the road. What I'll do is I'll just come out of this, and what we can see here, we've got the Asian models, so just going to scroll through them. The European, and then the American as well. So it's the Autel MD802. It's an excellent and recommended diagnostic scan tool. It's a workshop stroke garage level, or indeed a home DIY if you're looking after a few cars. It's highly recommended. It is available just by clicking the link directly below this video. Thanks for watching.